AI and the Future of Jobs, a Chance or a Danger. Welcome to a special edition. Someone just told me, dear ChatGPT, a new AI tool will make many jobs will disappear. A lot of jobs will be taken over by AI. Remember the rise of the Industrial Revolution? People were afraid that machines would take away jobs from people. But in reality, the new technology made it possible for more people to get jobs. AI is going in the same direction. It can automate some parts of a job, but it can also open up new ways to do business. Technology changes the way we do our jobs, not the amount. ChatGPT, a new AI tool, has taken the world by storm in the past few months. For those who don't know, ChatGPT is a conversational chatbot that uses advanced AI models to answer user questions in a way that sounds like a real person. It can write essays, poems, and math problems based on what you tell it. This AI chatbot recently got good scores on an exam for the Core Wharton MBA module and on the US medical license exam, which is supposed to be hard. BuzzFeed said that they would use AI instead of people to make content and quizzes. Cases of AI use with ChatGPT. Sales and marketing. Write the basic text for emails, ads, and user guides for your products. 2. Success with customers. Make better chatbots so customers can talk to them and get their problems solved. 3. HR. Make interview questions and tests for candidates, and help with getting new hires started. 4. Engineering. Make code that is always used and write documentation for the code that is already there. Does that mean that these jobs are no longer needed in startups? Are these services hurting the businesses that offer them? Think of AI as a possibility. All of the roles that already exist would change, so people must also change by learning new skills and getting more experience. The edge would be critical thinking. An important part of ChatGPT is that the user has to give the prompts. The right output can only come from the right prompts. Who will tell us what to do? Us. Every time there was a revolution, a new business chance came along, and this time will be no different. Let me list some amazing businesses that started because of GPT-3, the AI that came before ChatGPT. Algolia is a search engine made with GPT-3. GitHub Copilot makes code automatically in the code editor. Jasper.ai, automated copywriting powered by GPT-3. REPLIERAI, response to customer reviewers. QuickChat uses AI to power conversations in more than one language. There is a huge chance right here. These powerful AI tools can add to the skills of our existing teams in different ways and can be used by small team or individual. If you have gained some values from this video, please consider to follow. Follow now for values.